Hey everyone, Navik here, and this is another review of the BoonBoom toy line, or in this case, basically just more of a showcase of all of the aired BoonBoom cars and how they connect with the DX BoonBoom Robo. And yeah, I'm kind of doing what the reverse or sequence of what you would expect for a review talking about all these toys are like, because yeah, I'm showing you. I have off camera. I basically turned all these guys all the vehicles into their either robotic form, or to basically show you how they're all going to look while attached to Boondorio right here. Mainly because I don't have enough space on my desk to split the DX BoonBoom Robo open and to do the whole like attack mode, gate mode gimmick. But I'll say this: the details on these guys are pretty cool. Well, all of them basically have that same cartoon eye thing that Boondorio has, but you also see it. But I've been seeing it a lot more in modern day stuff like Megaton Musashi, or even all the way back with other mechas like the Nervosh from Eureka 7. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. So for this first combo, you're gonna want Boondorio's head to go back a bit. Alright, so let's combine BoonBoom Police 1 to form the head, as well as its guns, because every vehicle Sentai's apparently got to have a cop-themed one. And yeah, this basically is like a snapping weapon for like a sharp headbutt. And the guns, well, they do just that. They're guns. And so I'll admit, not the biggest fan of this one because of just how big the head is. So let's swap this out. Oh, by the way, you don't need to do these specific combos. Oh, so you can mix and match it. That's part of the thing. So yeah, let's combine BoonBoom Crane by sliding this onto the shoulder. Oh wait, yeah, I should finish it before. For this one, you do got to attach this little thing. It's like a small connector piece to kind of fill in the gaps. Alright. Let's go. BoonBoom Robo! Oh, build mode! So yeah, this form basically gives Boondorio the look of a construction worker or it's kind of got, or you can kind of see a light that you'd see on some construction helmets, and of course a hammer to smash stuff with. Let's just swap these out. Next, BoonBoom Classic. Oh no, that's BoonBoom Racing. You combine it with Classics. BoonBoom Robo Naito! So yeah, this is a pretty cool design. Although it's not my favorite of these. That would be the other one when you combine them together. You slide under to take this out. You combine Marine. Combine the claws from BoonBoom Safari. And yeah, I do like how all this just snaps into place. BoonBoom Monster! Yeah, so basically we got a bit of a kaiju look for Boondorio. And yeah, that's all different forms. Again, they don't really change the base articulation in the DX BoonBoom Robo, but gives them plenty of cool looks. To really show how fun and imaginative if some of these combinations are. And again, of course, you can mix and match all of them together. But let's start combining them. But yeah, let's just and now just to showcase like a roll call showcase Ace using the BoonBoom changer. Let's just slide these back. Yeah, that's the thing I like about this line, is that all these things is kind of slide back into place. Ace and our easel, and the cars themselves just look pretty cool. Oh, you can tell close up that they are meant to be like components to a bigger robot. All right. Take us away, Miss Matsumoto, with the roll call. First up. Oh, forgot this one guy right here. And yeah, of course, those work with the BoonBoom booster too. So let's just have them all nice in a lineup. Get Boondorio's head back into place. And yeah, this is a pretty cool lineup, especially with the BoonBoom Off-Road and BoonBoom Wagon. And yeah, that was our showcase of all the different DX BoonBoom cars and how they combine with BoonBoom Robo. Oh, and at least all the ones that come in pairs. There are, of course, other stuff that combines with Boondorio, but they're not gonna have to be their own separate videos. As always, guys, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Well, until next time, have a great day.